Hi guys, Tom here, America's favorite hoarder. I am currently testing one of the things I found in the curbside pile last week. Pardon me while I go down my basement stairs. And over to the extension cord to where you see I have it plugged in and it's lit this time. It's been running for a couple minutes now. I could hear it as I follow through to my labyrinth of essential items. There it is! Somebody threw away this Durabuilt steam cleaner. And as you can hear, the motor seems to run fine. The only thing I found that was wrong with this is, let's see if we can find it here. No, it is a kink in the hose. Right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. But I would say chop it there. About $1's worth of stainless steel hose clamps. And a nice 3/8 inch, I'm guessing, brass connector, and I've got myself a steam cleaner. Nothing else seems to be wrong with it. Yes, it was in the same pile that I found the other day with that miraculous 14-inch Chicago electric saw. But as you can see, there's the on-off button. I turn it on, and it runs like crazy. Yeah! Amazing, so many people throw these things away. I'll pick them up all day long. If I don't use them, I could sell them at the flea market, eBay, whatever. Pretty cool, huh? I don't know what it costs new. Pretty much all plastic with a little motor. It's a Durabuilt. Who knows? But I wanted to check in. Another great find, along with that little motor on the floor. But that's all for now. Keep on hoarding. Keep on steam cleaning. That's all for now. Bye-bye.